Hello Aries, this will be your reading for December 1 to 7. But this is also a timeless reading kahit kailan mo ito mapanood, Aries. I hope you're okay, doing great. Thank you so much for all your support, Aries. Sa patuloy na pagsubaybay. I am grateful for all the likes, shares, and comments. Regarding private reading, kung interesado kayo mag-inquire or mag-book, pakitignan na lang po yung mga nakasulat sa description, and of course, pwedeng nakalagay din sa pinakadulo after netong reading natin. Okay. Maraming salamat din po doon sa mga nagsasabi na hindi nyo po ini-skip yung mga ads, yung mga commercials sa mga videos ko. Malaking tulong po yan, and I am very thankful po. Na-appreciate ko po lahat yan. Let's see what the cards have for you. You have here the Fox for your first card. Okay, this is someone who is pwedeng trickster. Mapanlin lang. Manipulative, or this person is up to no good. Maaaring may mga hindi siya magandang agenda. So, be careful kung sino itong mga tinatrust mo at this time. Especially when it comes to money. Especially when it comes to yung mga hindi mo dapat. Alam mo yung mga iniingatan mo dapat yan. Okay? Maging maging cautious ka. Ayan, there is babala, caution. Ano pa? You also have Tower. Dito iba yung Tower sa deck na ito, hindi kagaya nung Tower sa tarot cards. This is a tall building, isang mataas na structure. It could be a literal na tower or it could be a condominium. Okay? Pwedeng related sa realty, mga properties, kung ganyan ang linya ng trabaho mo. But kung hindi yon, pwedeng this is just something na nagre-represent siya ng mataas. Something na mataas, like mataas na pride, sobrang laking ego. It could also signify official buildings or government buildings, a person of authority, a person with a high rank or high position. Anything na high or mataas, like high respect, mataas na pride, etc. Okay, pwedeng this is also a period ng isolation or loneliness para sa inyo. It could also mean a high-rise building or a hospital. So, sana naman walang ma-hospitalize. Or maybe dyan ka nagtatrabaho, palagi kang pumupunta dyan sa mataas na building na yan. Or high expectations, yung mga ganun. Something na mataas, dear. Halimbawa, mataas yung respeto mo doon, ganyan-ganyan. O sabi nga doon, pwedeng malaki yung ego, mataas yung pride. Rider, it means parcels, mga deliveries mo. It could also mean news or messages. Mensahero kasi ito si Rider. Kung sino man tong person na to, kung may tao man, may dala siyang mensahe para sa iyo. Pero hindi na tinukoy dito, Aries, if the message is good news ba yan or bad news? Depende na po yan sa inyo. How it resonates to you. This could also mean passion, energy, movement. So, it could mean traveling or movement. Kung may mga paggalaw-galaw, paglipat, going from one place to another place, pagta-transfer, basta movement, speed. Night, mala night kasi ito, there is action. So, ibig sabihin, you will be doing something for sure kung ikaw to, kung energy mo ito. You are driven, you are inspired, or you are excited. Or maybe it could mean exploring or adventuring kasi, diba? Para kang nagve-venture, no? Okay, maybe there's some kind of activity, action, adventuring na gagawin mo, exploration, kung ano man yan. O, halimbawa, yung ano mo, yung trabaho mo is pumupunta ka sa iba-ibang lugar, like parang messenger or sales agent or ewan ko, ano ba tawag nila dun? Yung nagpupunta sa iba-ibang sites, parang ganun eh. May movement, may traveling eh. You also have moon card, so this pertains to your emotions, your fears or your dreams or your intuition. It could also mean your imagination or inspiration. Feelings, thoughts, or something related sa gabi, nighttime kasi may moon. Or fantasies or illusions. O baka iba sa inyo, meron kayong pupuntahan na gabi. Ewan ko kung ano to. Or may magaganap etong mamayang gabi. Kung kailan mo man ito mapanood. Basta gabi yung setting eh. O pwedeng sa oras ng pagtulog. Pwedeng in your dreams. May mga messages. You could be having I don't know kung may mga nightmares ka or kung ano itong napapanaginipan mo. Pay attention to your dreams if ever na meron kasi maybe yung dreams mo nagko-convey ng mga importanteng messages na related sa iyong situation or pwedeng nandoon yung mga sagot sinasabi nila. No? Minsan ganun. Aries. Tingnan pa natin yung mga tarot cards mo. The Fool. Yes, definitely may parang some kind of adventure dito. But be careful not to become too impulsive or too careless. To become too foolish, not thinking about the consequences of your actions. Siguro yun na nakikita ko. Or you might make a bad move or a bad choice with the Fool card. Sabihin na natin. But things will fall out nicely, or at least pumapabor sa yung Wheel of Fortune. You have the Wheel of Fortune upright. It could mean a new cycle is about to begin, which also is indicated by the Fool card together with the Wheel of Fortune. So, meron something that is about to start or you are about to embark on a new adventure, whatever, a new project, a new connection, a new job. Yun yung indications na itong dalawang card mo, the Fool. Although, there is no guarantee na, ewan ko, there is no guarantee about the outcome kung it will turn out the way you wanted to or magiging successful siya. But, basta there is just a sense of pagiging optimistic sa'yo, malakas yung loob mo with the Fool card, or yun na nga, pwedeng minsan hindi mo iniisip yung consequences, so yun lang. Just be careful na wag kang bara-bara, di ba? Or at least kahit pa paano isipin mo man lang yung mga consequences ng mga gagawin mo to avoid future problems. But definitely there is change with the Wheel of Fortune. Ace of Wands, definitely may sisimulan ka. Fool card, Wheel of Fortune, and then Ace of Wands. It's a new cycle. O ano man tong cycle na to nasisimulan mo. O halimbawa, bagong contract. Or halimbawa, bagong loan. Basta, it could be a cycle. Or maybe it could be a new relationship. Ewan ko, depende na po yan kasi sa inyo. Pero, this is just an indication na meron kang something na i-give birth with the Ace of Wands. Maybe this is a new opportunity for you to start again, and very optimistic kasi tinutubuan ng mga dahon. It means na there is room or potential for growth or improvement, no? Or progress. Okay, basta there is an indication dito na pwede pa itong ma-develop. Pwede mo pang mapalago yan kung ano man ito. Okay? Businessman yan, etc. Sabi niyan, it could be a new project or you are very inspired. Sabi ko nga, parang meron some kind of energy dito sa rider na feel ko kanina na parang andun yung urge mo, andun yung inspiration mo to take action, to create. No beginnings yan, and possible na may potential or opportunity for growth. And then you have the Five of Pens reversed. It could also, this indicates recovery period from whatever setback yung pinanggalingan mo. If someone left you for something or for somebody else, sa tingin ko parang merong something dito like pagbabalik. Or rescue. Sabihin na natin parang kung nangangailangan ka ng assistance before, parang hindi ka na, walang tumutulong sa'yo, deadma, pinagsasarahan ka, or kung nag-a-apply ka ng trabaho before, nare-reject ka, hindi ka pumapasa sa interviews, maybe this is an indication na you will be back on track again, magkakaroon na uli ng action, ng movement, ng progress, or eventually, maglaland ka na dun sa job na ina-applyan mo, baka matanggap ka na dyan, may vacancy na uli, ayan. So, for those of you na naghahanap ng vacancy, na-reject kayo, wala kayong mapuntahan, mapasukan, maybe this is an indication ng recovery period, or this time, hindi ka na mare-reject, okay? Or may mahahanap ka na, may matutuluyan ka na, or whatever. Okay, so this is also an indication ng improvement pagdating sa kaperahan, kasi you have the Wheel of Fortune, which is a sign of good luck or improvement. And then ito, okay, let's pull some cards about for your love life. Tingnan natin whatever message will come through. Wait lang guys, sobrang bigat ng mga cards ko dito. I'm just gonna pull few cards para sa iyong love life. By the way, there is a fire sign energy like you or a Taurus person. When it comes to your love life naman, you have for this week, December 1 to 7, give your relationship a chance. Ayun na nga, sabi ko nga. May something here like pagbabalik. Working on your partnership. So, yan. Maybe this is a second chance. Pagbibigyan mo pa uli. I don't know. Pero parang may some kind ng pagbabalik dito. Yung, sabi ko nga kung may umalis dyan, may ng ghost. Or nagkaroon ng rejection. Ngayon, may pagtanggap may pagbabalik. Okay? Sa love life. Then, you also have chemistry. So, ayan. There is a strong magnetic attraction here. So, manunumbalik na. Sa tingin ko, manunumbalik na. Ayan, this is an indication ng beginning So, pwedeng mag-start over again kayo ng person. For the balikan ito. For the pagbabati. Pag-reconciliation. And there is good chemistry this time. Siguro after netong trial na to, nagkaayos kayo, nagkabalik kayo, kabalikan kayo, manunumbalik manunumbalik yung chemistry and mabibigyan uli ng another chapter or chance magi-start again kayo. So it could be na pwedeng magkaroon ng mga issues regarding pera. Oo. Kayong mag-asawa, mag-jowa, magka-connect. Pwedeng yun yung blockage pagdating sa romantic connection ninyo. Ayan, merong mga financial issues dito na possible na maging problem or blockage. Kumbaga malaking factor itong pera or trabaho when it comes to your love life at this time. Okay, so yan lang sa ngayon yung na-pick up kong energies for you, December 1 to 7 Aries. I hope makatulong sa iyo itong reading. Love you, take care, and babush. And kung balak nyo pong mag-book or mag-inquire ng personal readings ko, basahin nyo lamang po itong nakasulat sa screen or yung nakalagay sa description.